Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we're going to see how to create promotional web banner design in Photoshop. It's going to be a simple and easy one. Before getting started, you can download all the files used in this tutorial. Link in the description. Download it, use it, figure out any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you. Fine, let's get started. First, we are going to create a new canvas in Photoshop. I'll keep the size as 2000 by 800, resolution 150, color RGB mode. So canvas is ready. First, we're going to bring in our model image inside our canvas. For that, go to the folder you downloaded, open the image in Photoshop. Now we are going to drag and drop the image inside our canvas. By enabling free transform tool, shortcut Ctrl T, I'm going to resize the image. By holding Shift key, I'm going to keep the length and breadth proportions even. Fine, I'm okay with this. So our model image is ready. Next, we are going to add our text content. For that, create a new layer. Go to color picker, select white color. Now enable text tool and type your text. Here I'm going to type winter. Next, I'm going to create a copy of the text layer by using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. I'll edit this one as fashion sale. Now we are going to align this text. For that, I'm going to use guidelines. So create a guideline like so. Now I'm going to enable free transform tool and place this text at the center. Next one, we're going to repeat the same for the fashion sales text layer. Adjust the spacing. Okay, next we're going to add another text word. For that, create a duplicate copy of the fashion sale text layer and edit the text as up to 80% off. Okay, now we are going to resize this text. We're going to keep it a bit smaller. Enable free transform tool, reduce the size. Adjust it and place it at the center. Okay. Next, we are going to create a line on both sides of the text. For that, create a layer. Go to color picker, select white color. Now, select rectangle tool and create a simple and tiny line like so. Next, I'm going to create a duplicate copy of that line, drag and dropping the rectangle shape. By holding Shift key, I'm going to move it on the left side. So our text content is ready. Next, we are going to create buy now button. For that, create a new layer. Go to color picker, select dark color. I'm going to select dark blue, something like that. Next, enable shapes tool, rectangle tool, and create a simple rectangle like so. Again, I'm going to enable the free transform tool, place it at the center using the guides. Next, we're going to create our text. For that, go to color picker, select white color, enable text tool. Type buy now. I'm going to reduce the size. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, hit the like button. For more Photoshop tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.